Hello dear student. Today we are going to solve the problem from class 10 chapter named Paths of Linear Equations in Two Variables. The question is from exercise 3.2. Question is on comparing the ratios a1 divided by 2, b1 divided by 2 and c1 divided by 2. Find out whether the lines representing the following paths of linear equations intersect at a point are parallel or coincident. The questions are given here. These three questions we are going to solve today's class. The first question's equations are 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equals to 0 and 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equals to 0. Now we are going to find out the answer for this. First we have to compare the equations with comparing the equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Now we have these questions in this equation form. We obtain a1 is equals to 5, b1 is equals to minus 4, c1 is equals to 8 and a2 is equals to 7, b2 is equals to 6, c2 is equals to minus 9. Now we have to compare these equations by a1 divided by a2. What we have a1 and a2, that is 5 divided by 7. Then b1 divided by b2, that is minus 4 divided by 6. After simplifying this, we will get the answer as minus 2 by 3. Then c1 divided by c2, that is 8 by minus 9. Now here this a1 and a2 are not equals to b1 and b2. What if these two are not equals? That is, we should know this table. What if a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2? Here is the table. First, we should know that a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2. The lines are intersecting and there is exactly one solution. And if a1 divided by a2 is equals to b1 divided by b2 is equals to c1 divided by c2, the lines are coincident and there is infinitely many solutions you will get. And if a1 divided by a2 is equals to b1 divided by b2 and it is not equals to c1 divided by 2 c2 and lines are parallel and there is no solution we will get. So now we got first question answer as a1 divided by a2 is not is equals to b1 divided by b2. So we obtained, therefore we obtain pair of intersecting lines and also exactly one solution. This we got the final answer from this table. If a1 divided by a2 is not equals to b1 divided by b2, intersecting lines we will get and exactly there is one solution we will get. Now the second question, equation are 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0, 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equals to 0. Now we have to first compare the equations in the form of comparing equations with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Here we have a1 is equals to 9, b1 is equals to 3 and c1 is equals to 12, as well as a2 is equals to 18, b2 is equals to 6 and c2 is equals to 24. Now we have to write it is in the form of a1 divided by a2, that is 9 divided by 3. We will get after simplifying this, not 9 divided by 3, that is 9 divided by 18. 9 divided by 18. So after simplifying this, we will get 9 ones are 9 twos are. So we will get 1 by 2. After this, 9 divided b2 divided by b1 divided by b2, that is 3 divided by 6. After simplifying this, we will get again 1 by 2. Next is c1 divided by c2, that is also 12 divided by 24 is equals to 1 divided by 2. Now all three means a1 divided by a2 is equals to b1 divided by b2 and c1 divided by c2. Now we will get all three equations are equal. What if all three equations are equal? Let us check about this. If all three equations are equal, we will get a coincidence line and infinitely many solutions. a1 divided by a2 is equals to b1 divided by b2 is equals to c1 divided by c2 is equals to coincidence lines and infinitely many solutions. Now write down the answer as hence lines represent coincident and have infinitely many solutions. Next, third question is equations are 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equals to 0, 2x minus y plus 9 is equals to 0. We have to write this equation in the form of comparing equations with answer, comparing equations with ax1 plus b1x plus c1 is equals to 0, a2x plus b2x plus c2 is equals to 0. From now this question we have a1 is equals to 6, b1 is equals to minus 3, c1 is equals to 10 and a2 is equals to 2, b2 is equals to minus 1 and c2 is equals to 9. Now we have to compare this equation in the form of a1 divided by a2, that is 6 divided by 2. We will get after simplifying this 3. Then b1 divided by b2, that is minus 3 divided by minus 1. After simplifying this, the minus and minus get cancelled and we will get answer as 3. And c1 divided by c2 is equals to 10 divided by 9. We cannot simplify this 10 divided by 9. So we obtain here a1 divided by a2 is equals to b1 divided by b2, but it is not equal to c1 divided by c2. What if it is meaning that if a1 divided by a2 is equals to b1 divided by b2 is not equals to c1 divided by c2, then the lines are parallel and there is no solution for this type of equation. So we have to write here, therefore lines represent parallel each other and there is no solution. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and do support. Thank you everyone.